add an annotation, go to the edit of respective widget. In the edit menu, you can select the annotation tab, and here select the properties of annotation. So under the annotation properties, we will select the annotation group. So whatever the messages that you have already created under the annotation, it will fall under this. So we will select CEO message as a group, and in that we will select group 1 item or 103 as item, and under that we will select 103 annotation, and we will adjust the size to the of 25% of this widget. Now I can share this annotation or with the given rights. I can share the rights of view or edit. So I'll give the view to the demo and crazy, and I will save and exit. Also, to enable this, from the settings option, we'll have to enable the annotation from the annotation properties. Save, exit. So now you will see that we have an option of annotation available when we hover on the chart. Click on this and you will see that annotation message is here. So this way you can add annotation to any of the widgets.